Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A survey of 120 persons revealed that 81 of them had eaten at restaurant A and 62 of them had eaten at restaurant B. How many number of persons in the survey had eaten at both restaurants A and B? Let's try to put this information in Venn diagram. So let this circle be representation of people who ate at restaurant A, and this be representation of number of people who ate at restaurant B. So according to question, this entire circle is representing 62 people who had eaten at 81 people who have eaten at restaurant A. So we have this circle representing 81 people who have eaten at restaurant A. And this entire circle is representing 62 people who have eaten at restaurant B. B62. Now this overlap part here, this has been considered in both numbers 81 and 62. So we have this. If we add number of people who have eaten at restaurant A with number of people who have eaten at restaurant B, we will get this overlap part counted in twice. So AB is present in here and AB is present in here as well. So we will have to subtract one of these ABs in order to find total number of people surveyed. See, overlap part represents people who have eaten at both restaurants. So since they are considered in both A and B numbers, we have to subtract one of them. Now when this is subtracted, we are left with A, people who have eaten at only restaurant A, people who have eaten at only restaurant B, and then people who have eaten at both restaurants. Now let's compare which one of these values we are given. We are given total 81, 62. We have to find this, and we are given total number who are surveyed. So people who have eaten at both restaurants can be found out by simply doing 81 plus 62 minus 120. So this is 2 plus 1 3, 8 plus 6 14, minus 120. So we get number of people who have eaten at both restaurants as 23. Answer is option C.